Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change audio speed on InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can create a new project on InShot application. Click on a video and you have to click on new, and here you have to select the blank clip, this one. Click on it, then you can click on this check mark, and now you can add the audio you want to change the speed, and click on this music option. Click on music again, and for example, I'm going to import audio from my device. I'm gonna go with this audio, then we can click on use. Then we can extend the blank clip. We can make it align with our audio like this, and after you're done, you just need to click on save to export this video. Okay, just wait for a moment until it's done. Okay, now it's done. Then we're going to create a new project again. So we can click on a video, click on new, and here you have to import the video we have saved before, this one. Click on this check mark, and here you can increase or decrease the speed of this video. Click on the speed option, and then for example, I'm going to make it 2 times faster. Then click on the check mark, and then we're going to save it as a video. And after we save this video, we will be able to use this video for our editing. We can extract the audio. You just need to click on the music, and you can click on music again. Then you have to click on extract audio from a video. Then we can select the video we have changed the speed. Then just click on this check mark. Alright guys, and that's how we can change audio speed on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.